Hello friends, this is round 11 of star, hearts and pineapples tablecloth, and this round is just made out of chain 3 loops and chain 5 loop. There are 11 chain 3 loops on top of the fan and then a chain 5 in between the fan. So let's begin. I made correction already on my original instruction, and the correction is to make a single crochet on the same stitch right where the slip stitch is at. So single crochet there and mark this stitch. The reason for marking this stitch is this is where the ending single crochet should be hooked on. So, and also with loop stitches, it is hard to distinguish where the beginning and ending. So that's the reason for marking the beginning. So let's begin. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet between the space of the chain 1 space between the two TRs. So that's 1. We will make, starting here, we will make 10. We'll do it 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the chain 1 space. Next chain 1 space, so chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 1 space, and just keep repeating it. Okay, and the last chain 3, 1, 2, 3, we will do it into the next triple crochet. So this is important to remember on each fan, that the first, the initial chain 3 is hooked onto the first triple crochet of the fan right there, and so the last one is also fastened onto the last triple crochet of the fan, and there should be a total of 11 chain 3 loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it should be consistently 11 on top of each fan all around. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we begin the same thing we did here. So I'm going to make a single crochet on the first triple crochet right there, and then chain 3 10 times more. 2, 3, that's 1, 2, so the 11th chain 3 loop, this is the 11th, we're gonna hook on to the last triple crochet of the fan. And so another repeat, so we got 1 repeat here, this is the second, and then the second chain 5 repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so the repeat begins on the next fan. So that's how it looks, and I will show you on the next scene how to end this round. So at the end of round 11, after the chain 5, we can remove the marker for the ending, beginning, ending, and beginning ends in the same place. We can remove the mark, the pin mark, and then we can do a slip stitch on the single crochet that was made here. I probably said single crochet, end it with single crochet, but in this case I would end it with a slip stitch, like that, and then that's the end of this round 11. So I will see you on round 12.